Army ROTC is one of the best leadership courses in the country and is part of the college curriculum. During classes, leadership labs, physical training, and field training exercises, you will learn firsthand what it takes to lead others, motivate groups, and conduct missions as an officer in the Army. Upon graduation from Army ROTC, you will earn the bar of a second lieutenant and be commissioned into the active Army, Army Reserve, or Army National Guard, and become a leader for life. If you are interested in enrolling in Army ROTC and you are in college, you can start by taking an Army ROTC basic elective course. If you have at least 2 or more years remaining toward your undergraduate degree, but not enough time to complete the basic course, you can enter the Army ROTC Advanced course by completing the Leaders Training course held at Fort Knox, Kentucky during the summer. The Army ROTC Pirate Battalion is a diverse group of men and women. They are scholars, athletes, and leaders who come from all 50 states. The staff produces some of the greatest leaders, trainers, and mentors in the country. The leaders' training and experience provided with the foundation to become commissioned Army officers. This is the path to success unlike any other. Why not come and be a part of this great legacy? The Hampton University Army Pirate Battalion.